Jamaica, today is not just election day. Today is the day we decide if our future is written by the same old hands or if we turn the page. And let me tell you straight, a Mark Golding victory is not just a win for the PNP. It is a win for you. For every mother juggling bills, every youth searching for opportunity, every farmer waiting for fairness, and every Jamaican tired of the corruption and the games. This is the dawn of something different. The hero of this story isn't Mark Golding, it's you, the Jamaican people. You've been carrying the weight of rising food prices, stagnant wages, broken promises, and a government that always seems to find a way to help themselves before they help you. For too long, Jamaicans have been told to wait and see, but you've waited, you've seen, and now you're ready for change. The truth is, Jamaica's biggest problem isn't lack of talent or lack of resources or even crime. It's broken trust. Trust in leaders who say one thing and do another. Trust in a system where corruption scandals make more headlines than real solutions. And deep down, every Jamaican knows if we don't fix trust, we can't fix anything else. That's the story of the last government. That's the failure of Andrew Holness and the JLP. Too many promises, too little honesty, too much self-interest. Enter Mark Golding. Now, some will say he's soft-spoken, that he doesn't fling insults or play political gimmicks. And you know what? That's his strength, because leadership is not about theatrics. It's about trust. It's about vision. It's about character. Mark Golding is a man who has built businesses, created jobs, given back through education, and shown up for people in ways that don't make the front page. He doesn't need power to define him. He uses power to uplift others. That's the leader Jamaica needs right now. And the People's National Party under Golding, they are not just offering slogans. They're offering a plan. A plan to invest in you, in housing, in education, in healthcare, in youth empowerment. A plan to put transparency first, to hold leaders accountable, and to make sure government serves the people, not the other way around. How a Golding government works. The plan. 1. Cost of living relief, tackling food prices, energy bills, and ensuring wages match reality. 2. Jobs and opportunities, building an economy that rewards hard work and opens doors for young people, not just the connected few. 3. Healthcare reform. No Jamaican should have to choose between paying for medicine and putting food on the table. 4. Anti-corruption crusade. Strong integrity commission support. No interference, and politicians who must answer to the people. 5. Safer communities. Not just police on the streets, but jobs, skills training, and opportunities to break the cycle of crime. This isn't fantasy. It's a plan that puts people before politics. The new Jamaica. Imagine it. A Jamaica where leaders serve, not enrich themselves. A Jamaica where families can breathe easier, knowing their kids have real opportunities. A Jamaica where the world looks at us and doesn't just see crime and corruption, but innovation, unity, and strength. That's the Jamaica a Mark Golding victory brings within reach. It's not overnight magic. It's not one man saving the country. It's Jamaicans united with leadership they can trust. Finally, writing the future we deserve. So here's the truth. Today is decision day. Either we settle for more of the same, corruption scandals, empty promises, and a Jamaica where only the privileged few thrive, or we step forward with courage and choose something better. Mark Golding is ready. The PNP is ready. But the real question is, are you ready? So go out, vote, make your voice heard. Let's write a new chapter for Jamaica. Let's make history together. Because a Mark Golding victory isn't just politics. It's about trust restored, hope renewed, and a Jamaica rising. This is our time. Let's take it. Time come. So put your X squarely beside the head today. Vote for change. Vote for PNP. Vote Mark Jefferson Golding.
In every constituency, on every issue, the People's National Party has assembled the strongest, most diverse slate of candidates in a generation. From doctors ready to heal our broken health system, to educators building a smarter Jamaica, business people growing the economy, legal minds defending justice, and community advocates speaking truth to power. This is a team chosen for competence, compassion, and commitment. Led by Mark Golding, a good man with a good plan. This is not politics as usual. This is the team to rescue Jamaica, rebuild our future, and restore pride in leadership. Jamaica, time come.